Hello, I'm Alan Lumsden. I'm the chair of the Department of Cardiovascular Surgery at Houston Methodist Hospital. On behalf of the DeBakey Heart and Vascular Center, I invite you to join us for our inaugural DeBakey CV Congress, focused on advanced interventional cardiovascular imaging and robotics. The conference will take place at the Houston Methodist Research Institute in the Texas Medical Center here in Houston, Texas. The new program for all cardiovascular interventionalists will teach cardiovascular imaging and interventional techniques in an intensive hands-on setup. You'll learn by doing techniques such as 3D planning using CT and MR image datasets, intra-operative image fusion, 3D acquisition for interventional guidance. So by the end of the program, you should be able to apply these imaging and image guidance and robotic techniques to improve your clinical practice. I hope you will join us for this innovative new conference, and I look forward to seeing you in February 2020. Thank you.